Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make some delicious sopapillas. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious dessert, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of shortening, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by making our dough. So in a bowl, we're going to mix our flour, our baking powder and salt, along with our sugar. Just give it a quick mix. And to that, we're going to add our shortening. So just mix it in with your flour. So crumble it together, and of course just make sure that your hands are nice and clean. Alright, so once we have our shortening and flour mixed together, we're going to slowly pour warm water. Okay, and just mix it. Alright, so I added about 3/4 cup of warm water. So now our dough feels a little sticky. So now we're just going to knead until our flour feels nice and soft. Alright, so on your clean countertop, just knead until the dough no longer sticks to your hands. So for about 3 to 5 minutes. Alright guys, so after 3 minutes, this is what our dough should look like. So it's nice and soft. So now we're just going to return it to our bowl. And we're going to cover it with a clean kitchen towel. And we're just going to let it sit for about 20 minutes. Alright guys, so after 20 minutes, we're going to get our oil ready and then we can roll out our dough. Alright, so we're going to grab a frying pan, we're going to add oil, and we're going to set it on medium heat. Alright, so we're going to get our dough out of the bowl. Okay. And now we're just going to roll it. Alright, so once we have our dough roll into a big circle, we're going to begin to cut our sopapillas. Now, depending on how big you want them, then it depends on how big you're going to cut them. So we're just going to cut it like that. Okay, that one's a little too big. Alright, so once we have them all cut, now we are ready to fry. Alright, so once our oil is nice and hot, now we're going to throw in our pieces of dough. Alright, so now we're just going to fry until our sopapillas are nice and golden. Alright guys, so once our sopapillas are nice and golden, and they look like little pillows, we're just going to remove them from the oil. So set them on a kitchen towel. Okay, and I'm going to be dipping them into cinnamon sugar. So just make sure that if you do that, you do it as soon as they leave the oil. So just dip them. Okay, so now we're just going to repeat the same process to the remaining dough. Alright guys, so once we have our sopapillas, now we are ready for the fun part. Alright guys, so of course you can drizzle some Nutella or whatever you want on top of your sopapillas, but my family's favorite is powdered sugar. So we're just going to add some powdered sugar on top. Okay, so just add as much as you want, along with some honey. So like that. And just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious sopapillas. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now we are ready. Gio is enjoying it with some Nutella, and you can also top them with ice cream if you want. And also, like I mentioned, you guys, you can make them thinner if you want them filled with air instead of the dough. For me, this is perfect, and this is how we enjoy them. So hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. So cheers and enjoy. See that? It's so good. Yeah? Seriously, the best. So delicious. It's like a little cloud. Huh? Mm-hmm. Like that. Mm-hmm. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make some delicious sopapillas. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.